birds. Birds. There are many different kinds of birds. Some birds are big. Some birds are small. Some birds are tall. Some birds are round. Some birds have clip-like mouths. Some birds have bag-like mouths. Some birds have long, thin legs. Some birds have sharp claws. Some birds have colorful feathers. Some birds have patterned faces. Some birds can fly high. Some birds can swim. Some birds like to live with other birds. Some birds live alone. Some birds like to dance. Some birds like to sing. Some birds can even talk.
Hello, how are you?
Do you have a bird? A bird can be your good friend.